In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Then tap on Lock Screen Passwords and enter your current login method. Following that, select pattern, numeric password or alphanumeric password and create it. Now repeat it to confirm it and hit confirm. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!